for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, tow hitch, backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power windows, fog lamps, power door locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.